Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe by the God's grace. Dear children, today we are going to see 9th standard, 9th unit, the age of revolution. In that, we are going to see the French Revolution. The year is 1789. When was the French Revolution happened? 1789. Dear children, before I could start the lesson, I'll ask questions. Do you know the Eiffel Tower? Yes, the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, the capital city of France. Okay, dear children, it was built in the year of 1889. It was built in the year of 1889, commemorating the centenary year of the French Revolution. Commemorating means that is thinking, thought. Okay, then centenary means 100 years over. So when the French Revolution was started 1789, and remember that year they built the Eiffel Tower. Okay, thank you dear. Next we will go to the lesson. Now, learning objectives. What are the things we are going to see in this lesson? The causes for the outbreak of the French Revolution. What were the causes for the French Revolution? And the tennis court war and the fall of Bastille. Establishment of National Assembly. Establishment of National Assembly. Then Jacobins capturing power under the dictatorial functioning of Robespierre. Jacobins capturing power. How they captured the power? National Assembly. Afterwards, how they captured the power and the dictatorial functioning. Their functions of Robespierre. Under these topics, we will see in this lesson. Now, next topic is introduction. Introduction. The French Revolution exploded in the year 1789. Which year the French Revolution exploded? 1789. Exploded means burst out. Next, the French monarchy of the ancient regime. Regime means rule, power. Had enjoyed power for 140 years. How long period? They enjoyed power 140 years. Louis XIV in his palace at Versailles enjoyed royal absolutism in France. Louis XIV. Remember it? Louis XIV, Louis XV, Louis XVI. Main person for this French Revolution is Louis XVI. Okay. Louis XIV in his palace at Versailles enjoyed royal absolutism, unlimited power. Absolutism means unlimited power in France. Louis XVI summoned a State General in May 1789. He called the 3 estates also. Louis XVI summoned the State Generals. Okay, the representatives were divided in 3 groups: clergy, nobles, and commoners. Come on, once again you say, when was the Estate General summoned? In May 1789. What are the 3 representatives? Clergy, nobles, and commoners. What are the 3 estates? Clergy, nobles, and commons. No. So the clergy means men and women. They call for religious duties and without any tax. They not paid any tax. The nobles also the same way only. Nobles are lawyers, rich merchants, and landowners. And commons means common people. That is laborers, farmers, poor people. They only want to pay so much of taxes. These two, they not at all pay any taxes. And the commoners proclaimed themselves Revolution. It was known as telescope work. Okay children, now we will see causes of the outbreak. First cause, political cause. Louis XV, the central Roman number, see dear. Louis XV succeeded his great-grandfather Louis XIV and reigned for 59 years. He reigned means ruled for 59 years. He learned no lessons that the king is not above law but bound by law from the English Revolution. He not learned any lessons because in England some revolution happened and they cut the king head. What was that king name means? Charles I. In 1774, he was succeeded by his grandson Louis XVI. So he was a very important person for a French Revolution. He was entirely under the influence of his wife Marie Antoinette. Who was his wife? Marie Antoinette, who believed more than the king in the divine right theory of kingship. He believed the divine right theory of kingship. That means what? The theory that the king was representative of God on the earth. That is, he or she was the representative of God on earth. And therefore, for all his actions, he was accountable only to God and not to anybody else. Both the king and queen were hated by the people. So, belongs to their actions. People hated them. Then, we will see the economic causes. On the eve of the French Revolution, France was going through a period of economic crisis. It was affected by the economic crisis. The French treasury was bankrupt, empty because of its involvement in the 7 Years' War. Why? It involved in the 7 year. Which one? France. That ended in defeat also. But what happened? In the end, it was defeated. French participation in the American War of Independence made the financial condition again worst. So, French, already American Revolution we studied. French participation in the American War of Independence made the financial condition again very worst. The luxurious lifestyle of the royalty, that is king, queen, all others, royalty, and the nobles in Versailles court, in contrast to the grinding poverty of the common people. So, it gave a more poor condition for the people. Made the people accept the new ideologies of French philosopher of the 18th century. So, the common people accept the new ideologies of French philosopher of the 18th century. Finance minister of the king, Turgot, Necker, Calonne, Briand. Once again, who were the finance ministers? Turgot, Necker, Calonne, Briand. One after the other suggested reduction of royal expenditure and taxation. They gave a suggestion, that is reduction of royal expenditure and taxation. Taxation of the first two estates. The nobles and the clergy, their advice was not only disregarded, but they themselves were dismissed from the service. But they not accepted that, they not paid any taxes. Instead of that, what they done, they dismissed from the service. Next, under the circumstances, the French monarch Louis XVI was forced to convert the estate called the Estate General, the combined body of the three estates comprising nobles, clergy and commoners respectively. They called on the three generals. Condition. The condition of the already impoverished peasants, poor peasants, worsened due to the series of bad harvests. Already the condition was very poor. Again, Because of bad harvest also, the condition was again worsened. It resulted in the rise of the price of bread. What happened? The harvest was very worse, so the price of bread that is increased. The peasants of the countryside and the laborers and artisans of the towns were the worst affected. Who were and all affected? The peasants of the countryside. Peasants means agriculturists. And the laborers and artisans. Laborers and artisans of the towns were worstly affected. A vast number of people had become professional beggars. They changed their duty and that is professionally beggars. It was officially declared in 1777 that there were 11 lakhs beggars in France. How many beggars? 11 lakhs beggars in France. Then they collected tithe, 1/10 of annual produce or earnings. They want to submit, that is tax, from the common people. They collected. And the peasants paid tax to the such as taille, that is land tax, gable, salt tax, etc. This type of taxes these peasants wanted to pay. Then, and provided free labor, corvée. That free labor, the tax name was known as corvée. For the construction of public road, any public work means these peasants or poor people wanted to do. So, what they paid? One is taille, land tax, gable, salt tax, and corvée, free labor. That's also. Next topic. Inspiration from French philosophers. Their ideas, philosophers' ideas also so much used for the common people. There were many notable thinkers and writers in France in the 18th century. Who were they? Notable thinkers and writers. The most famous writer of the time on rationalistic and scientific subject was Voltaire. 1694 to 1778. Voltaire, Montesquieu and Rousseau criticized the existing conditions in France. They criticized, told about the condition of the France. Voltaire was a prolific writer and activist and was vehement in criticism of the church. In that period, how the church, he criticized that his most famous work was Candide. Another great writer, a contemporary of Voltaire but younger than him. Contemporary means same period of Voltaire but younger than him. He was young and was Jean-Jacques Rousseau. 1712 to 1778. His ideas played an important part in preparing the people of France for the Great Revolution. His ideas very much used for the people. He famously said in his book Social Contract. What book he wrote? Come on, say dear. Social Contract. Good. Man is born free but is everywhere in chains. He argued that the law are binding only when they are supported by the general will of people. When man born, he was free, but afterwards, socially, he was bounded. He argued that the laws are binding only when they are supported by the general will of the people. General will of the people. When people support it, it will act. 1689 to 1755. Who wrote the Persian letters and the spirit of the laws? What was the book written by him? Montesquieu, that is Persian letters, good, and the spirit of laws, good. Also defended liberty. He defended liberty. He put forward the theory of separation of powers. What he told? That is separation of powers. The liberty of the individual would be best protected only in a government, that is the liberty of the individual, then would be best protected. How they protect? Only in a government where the powers of its three organs, the powers want to split it into three, that is legislature, executive and judiciary, were separate. It would put in place the necessary check and balance to prevent any one organ from assuming more power to itself. Then it will check it, each and every organ, balance to prevent any one organ from amusing more power of itself. War of Independence. This is also one of the cause. The American Revolution that broke out in 1776 and ended with the establishment of the American Republic. This one inspired the French Revolution and provided them with a model. That American Revolution inspired the French people and it was a model for that people. The French participation in the American War. The French people participated, already you studied. War of Independence, supporting the American cause against the British directly, affected the French Revolution in two ways. How? One is, it cost the French treasury heavily, and the other, the French like Lafayette, who participated in the American War of Independence with democratic ideas and played an active role in the French Revolution. So, Lafayette's ideas, that is democratic ideas, played an active role in the French Revolution. The French Revolution, still that we studied causes, now course we are going to study. The fall of Bastille. This is the first incident. Critical moment came after the king shut out the commoners and the later assembled in the tennis court and took an oath that they would not disperse until they found a way out to their problems. So the critical moment, they came out from the king sent out, so they came out and they all gathered in near the tennis court and took oath. What they told, that is they would not disperse until they found a way out to their problems. Until they found a way out to the problems, they won't be dispersed. The king tried to use force, but his own soldiers refused to obey his orders. The king to obey his orders, not at all. They asked the soldiers, but the soldiers not obey. Louis then intrigued to get foreign regiments. They asked the help from other foreign country to shoot down his own people. This provoked the people to rise in revolt in Paris on 14th July 1789. So the people not liked that, so they involved in the revolution. They stormed the Bastille prison and they stormed the battle prison and set free all the prisoners. The fall of the Bastille was the first great turning point in the revolution. It was the great turning point in the revolution. 14th July is celebrated as the National Day of France to this day. How they celebrated? National Day of France. National Assembly. This assembly comprised moderate liberals who wanted a constitution on the model of England and America. The assembly comprised moderate liberals. They gave some liberal who wanted a constitution on the model of England and America. Their leader was Mirabeau. Who was the leader for the constitution? Mirabeau. The assembly was controlled by the middle classes and there was no representation to the peasants and the common masses. The assembly controlled by the middle class, and there was no representation from the peasant side and the common people side. The assembly then passed a declaration of the rights of the man and the citizen. But the people not liked that. After that, the assembly passed a declaration of the rights of the man and the citizen. The idea was taken the American Declaration is short. The idea was taken from the America. Once again, the idea was taken from the American Declaration of the Independence. But the American Declaration is short while the French one is long. Their declaration is long one. The rights of man include the rights which were supposed to ensure him its give equality and liberty and happiness. It spread to the people. It gave it equality and liberty and happiness. The assembly brought about many other reforms also. The vast property of the church was confiscated, taken by the state. A new division of France was made into 80 departments. The world feudal courts, that is world court, were replaced by a better law courts. However, the crisis intensified in Paris in very severe condition due to the high price of bread. The price of the bread was increased more. People not get. Poor people. Riots broke out. Riot means a disturbance of peace by a mob. A group of people disturbed that. The women of Paris marched to Versailles to demand bread from the king. The women, what they done? They marched to Versailles and demand bread from the king. Outside student asked the bread. But the crowd was in an aggressive mood. But the king didn't give. So the crowd was in aggressive mood. The crowd demanded the bread be provided to them. The royal family, including the king, was mobbed. They forced the king and the royal family to go with them to Paris. But when they not give, they took the king and the family members with them. That is to go with them into the Paris. Then was the condition of the people. So the mob took the king and other family members also. Verney. The king's position was increasingly shaky. That is shake. The king's position was very bad. He was not able to reconcile to the legislations passed by the National Assembly. The National Assembly passed with the rules or legislation. It was not reconciled or not acceptable. Not able to accept that one. Who? The king. So, he decided to escape from Paris. What he decided? Escape from Paris. Good. Dressing himself as a valet. Valet, no worker. He dressed himself as a valet and he escaped along with his family to Verney, a border town. He escaped to Verney, a border town. However, he was recognized there by a postman. So the postman find out that person he was a king. Arrested by the National Guards and brought back to Paris. Again they brought the person to Paris. From then onwards he remained in Paris virtually a prisoner. They arrested the person and put into the prison. And Jacobins. The moderate liberals wanted to keep the king as a limited monarch. They called themselves the party of the Girondins. So they asked the king. They liked the king. How? Wanted to keep the king as a limited monarch. They were known as Girondins. The hard court Republicans. The Republicans were known as Jacobins. So who was known as Girondins and who was known as Jacobins means the moderate liberals and wanted to keep the king as a limited monarch. They were known as Girondins. They liked the monarchy. But the hardcore Republicans were the Jacobins. The Republicans, they were known as Jacobins. In foreign countries, especially in England, there were the emigres, the French nobles who had run away from the revolution and were continually intriguing against it. From the revolution, from the revolution and settled in England. They were known as emigres. All the kings and emperors of Europe who were frightened by the mass ranked against the revolutionary France. They all together joined and against the revolutionary of France. Constitution of 1791. In September 1791, the National Assembly framed the first constitution. When was the first constitution framed? In September 1791. And it provided for a constitutional monarchy. The legislature consisted of a single chamber of 750 members. So the legislature consisted how many members? That is 750 single chamber. The franchise was limited to those who owned a certain amount of property. So those who had a certain amount of property only the member of the legislature. The king continued to be the executive head. He only the head. Who? The king. But his powers were considerably limited. They reduced the power. But the king's power were considerably limited. They reduced the king's power. And the Revolutionary War. In August 1792, already I informed who were emigres. They escaped from the revolution and settled in some other country. They were known as emigres. In August 1792, ordered an attack on the king's palace. Though the king ordered shooting by the he was deposed and imprisoned. So in the year 1792, the king ordered an attack on the king's palace. Though the king ordered shooting by his Swiss guards, he was finally disposed and the people took that person and imprisoned. The people of Paris, angered by the action of the Swiss guard in shooting and killing many of them, hunted down. The Swiss guard shooting and killing many of them hunted down. The supporters of monarchy under the leader Marat. Who support this now? The leader Marat. In 3 days from September 2 and about 1,500 suspected dissidents, they were suspected by the leader and they were put in a prison. After a trial, they were killed and this incident is called massacres. So, 1,500 people were suspected and they killed under the name of or leader of Marat. In September also occurred the first victory of the French troops over the invading Austrians and Prussians. They against the Austrians and Prussians at the Battle of Valmy. This they got the victory for the French people. This saved the revolution. On September 21, 1792, the National Convention met. Which year and day? September 21 and 1792, the National Convention met. Convention and the Region of Terror, June 17, 1793 to July 1794. The first action of the National Convention was to proclaim the formation of Republic. First is to proclaim the formation of Republic. The trial of Louis XVI was taken up immediately. He was condemned to death. So, the trial of Louis XVI was taken up and immediately he was condemned to death. He was guillotined from the very step on the guillotine. Danton, a great leader of the revolution. He was guillotined and a great leader of the revolution addressed the assembled crowds, those who assembled there. Before the people, he addressed, he talked, and threw an open challenge to other European kings also. In order to depart totally from the ancient regime's rule, the convention created a new republican calendar. This convention created a new republican calendar for France. All references to religion found in the world calendar's name. Religion found in the world calendar's name were deleted and a 10-day week followed. 1 week, 10 days they followed. September 1793, the convention passed the law of suspect. It passed a law which authorized the arrest of persons suspected of opposing the revolution. Who opposed the revolution? They suspected and captured. A month later, 22 Girondins, already I told, they were supported to the king. So, they catch. A month later, 22 Girondins, deputies of the convention, were tried by the revolutionary tribunal and sentenced to death. They find out that person and they also gave a punishment to sentence to death. Thus began the Reign of Terror. Danton, Herbert and Robespierre emerged as the main leaders of the National Convention. Who were the three main leaders? Herbert, Robespierre and Danton. However, they were divided on many issues. Robespierre controlled the Committee of Public Safety and eliminated his rivals. There was a massive peasant revolt in Vendée. Peasants attacked. Massive revolt. The Vendée revolt was suppressed with a great cruelty. With a very great cruel, it was suppressed. There was great festival of liberty and reason in Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. But Robespierre was conservative in religious matters and neither he nor Danton, they both approved of this, not gave any approve of this movement. But Herbert and his supporters who had organized the festival were sent to the guillotine. Danton and other protest against Robespierre for sending too many people to guillotine, but they were also, when they asked the question, they also executed. The Reign of Terror ended with the fall of Robespierre. In October 1795, the convention broke up and Directory of 5 members assumed power. So the Reign of Terror, when it was ended, means October 1795, after the fall of Robespierre, and October 1795, the convention broke up and a directory of 5 members assumed the power. It was short-lived and was replaced by the consulate, with Napoleon as the first consul. Who was the first consul? Napoleon. This consulate was abolished by Napoleon Bonaparte. Later, he abolished the consul, who later crowned himself as the emperor, and he announced himself as the emperor of France. The revolution thus failed, shattering the dreams of the ideologists and the hopes of the poor also. So the dreams of the ideologists and the hopes of the poor the revolution was failed only. French Revolution. Okay, children, now we will see the impact of French Revolution. What was the impact? The French Revolution had many lasting results. It marked the end of the system of absolute monarchy. It ended the system of absolute monarchy in France. All feudal privileges free, that is privileges, people not paid the tax, no, so it was curbed na control of different sections and the state. It gave a power to feelings of nationalism. It led to the growth of feeling of nationalism and the emergence of an assertive middle classes. It has started that is emergence of an assertive form. The middle class people gave a power also. Revolution upheld the theory of people's sovereignty and laid the foundation for the birth of liberal constitutional governments in Europe. It gave a way to the birth of liberal constitutional governments in Europe. That is, liberty, equality and fraternity became the watchwords of freedom-loving people. What were the three watchwords brought up by the French Revolution? Means liberty, equality and fraternity. These three watchwords brought freedom-loving people all over the world and inspired many later-day political movements for the establishment of liberal democracy in Europe and elsewhere, in other places also. So these movements for the establishment of liberal democracy, that is liberal democracy in Europe and other places also. Children, now we will wind up the class. The revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity continue to inspire many later political movements. Thank you. God bless you.